Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum. This is in Onyx Black Metallic with a maroon brown interior. Active bending Thor's hammer headlights, cornering fog lights, those are all LED, 20-inch wheels. This is all-wheel drive. And T5 means that it is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and you'll get 249 horsepower from that. Tons of standard features on the XC90s like keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate, panoramic sunroof with a sunshade. Those are standard features. This one additionally has this cool bumper scuff plate. Plenty of room in the back here. Those seats do fold down flat. 60/40, and there's a pass-through if you need that too. This one does have the climate package, so all of your passengers will enjoy heated seats. There is a heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and you also get heated windshield wiper blades. Beautiful, super comfortable seats. Your heated seat controls right there. Also a couple ports down there to plug in for your passengers. Memory seating for 2. So the main reason that this has been named an IIHS Top Safety pick, and that most Volvos have been named an IIHS Top Safety pick for this year, is because of this suite of safety technologies that are listed right there. City safety, collision avoidance, lane keeping aid. This also has park assist. It has cross traffic alert with auto braking. So all of these systems in place to have your back while you're driving. Life is complicated, and it's nice to have a little extra assurance when you're in your car. So this is your main screen, your home screen, and it's tilted ever so slightly towards the driver so that your line of sight is just above the road or below the road. And this one has the navigation because it has the premium package. It has the seat control, the heat seat controls, and your climate control. We'll see all of the vehicle functions here. And this is something that you can move around. So if you like to keep things close, I like to put the camera up here so it's easy to access. Also, it'll pop up when you shift it into reverse automatically as well. If you drop this down and go into settings, there's everything that you need to customize your own Swedish sanctuary just how you'd like it. And off to the right, this is where you'll be able to download your apps and use this center screen as a giant version of your phone when you plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto right there. With a white circle. And then we also have drive mode settings. This is a scroll bar, a roll bar. And if you'd like to drive in a more efficient way, right up top, comfort, it's always set to comfort when you start the car up, so you'll have to change it if you'd like something you know, a little more sporty, or if you need to at slow speeds get out of some snow or a little gravel driveway, the off-road feature is good for that. Well, this is stock number 21249. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for watching so much from Portland Volvo.